know the markets, I know how to make money. I would love to teach you what I know. I'm Kalayjian, and I've been day trading for over 38 years. You know, I was there in the crash of '87. I saw the long-term capital debacle in '98. What I'm teaching, you're gonna see. What I'm showing you on my telestrator, you're gonna see. When the MACDs are negative above the pivot and the 5 goes negative, 2 nice shorts there on Netflix. Doesn't make a difference who you are or what field you're in. I feel confident that I can teach you. I've actually taught people who have traded for years and have corrected their mistakes. At the end of the rainbow, when they can tell me I did it, I'm pulling the trigger, I'm consistent, look at what I'm making, really brings a lot of joy to me. The number one mistake that any day trader makes is they don't want to take a loss. Oh, I'll hold it overnight, and they'll just start making up all these things. I'm like, no, out, next trade. I have 5 key words, and the 5 key words are consistency, discipline, confidence, patience, and passion. This is a journey, not a sprint. I spent 8 years of my life building this platform that I believe works. I can identify trends, reversals, divergences, correlation studies in the market that help move the needle in the right way. I see things, I'm able to get the feel, and I'm able to take my content and then transform it to the average person to get them to understand and learn. Wait for the pullback. Gold pulled in down like $4 or $5 and then ripped $7. It's got to be 90+% accuracy. That is my goal every single day when I'm in this live room, to be able to make people understand, to be on the right side of the market, to limit their mistakes, to be able to make them profitable traders.